Alright, so here I have the Black IPA. This was batch split, two 3 gallons batches in 6.5 gallon buckets. It's batch split because we're doing an experiment. I have Robert's yeast and I have my yeast over here on the right. These are both pitched on yeast trub. On the left we have a Belgian Safale 257, I believe, is a Belgian Abbey yeast, which is a leftover trub that Robert had a Belgian double or a triple on. And then over here on this side, I have mine, which is pitched on top of Safale SO5, which has gone 3 or 4 generations so far. Last came out of a raspberry wheat that we just did for the summer. So this batch, I did not put on wort chiller, so I let it cool overnight, and it was at about 95 degrees when I pitched the yeast. The yeast trubs were at room temperature, which is about 77 degrees comfort level in the house in hot, sweaty Texas. So there was about a 13 degree difference on the yeast trub and the actual batch that was still hot from yesterday. I just left it in the garage overnight. So here we are. It's about 4 o'clock. I pitched these in about 1 o'clock. I stirred them up with the paint stirrer on the drill to oxygenate them. Did not use oxygen, and they're both moving along pretty good about 2 to 3 hours after pitching that trub in there. So they should ferment out within 2.5 to 3 days, and then we're going to bottle these, and then we'll do a taste test since it's the same exact grain bill. I will not be doing any dry hopping on these. Black IPA with some roasted malt and some chocolate malt as well. So it should come in around 6.5–7% ABV, and we'll see if there's a taste difference between these two different yeast strains.